pulling up, ready for the one. Yeah, pulling up something like 4.5 G, in and out of the loop. And as they complete it, the nearest aircraft, flown by Steve Lloyd, will be pulling away and pulling up for start his solo display. He's bursting into a solo loop while the two other aircraft position off to the right. And pulls up and again, rolling as he goes over to reposition the aircraft to fly away from us. And that's called a clover. And he was flying away from us and coming up. Lots of power hanging on the propeller again. And remember the stall turn you've seen earlier today with other aircraft, holding the aircraft there and then tipping it over. And on his way down, watch him complete the quarter roll to put him out flying right to left in front of you. Remember the barrel roll? Here it comes again. Remember, getting height at the end of every manoeuvre. So he's got the height and got the speed, smoke on, running in, and here comes the barrel roll.
Where is he?
In the sky somewhere.
Oh, lovely.
There he is.
Now this is a more powerful engine, so positioning again. Climbing up, pulling round. Remember, this is the wing over. That allows the pilot to get himself in position. Sees the ground, watches the crowd line, looks for the boys out there for the display line, gets him in position as he comes round right to left and puts the aircraft inverted to fly past. And in this, remember, he's got to be pushing the aircraft. This is not the natural position. This is uncomfortable. But doesn't that look good? And out again.